नमस्कार, पोया प्रुडंट खबरो. 12वीचो रिझल्ट 85.53%, 82.31% सायन्स, 85.17% आर्ट्स, कॉमर्स 90.58%, 1.4% भुरग्यांक स्पोर्ट्स मार्कांनी केले साल्वार, अंदूय चलयां शायन. गोयचो आवाज संस्थेन बॉम्ब घातल्या उपरांत राजकीय क्षेत्रात खवदळ, कितलेशेच आरोप फट म्हणून टिका, काय आमदार मनहानीच्या दावो घालपाच्या तयारीत. मोपाचो प्रत्येक जॉब गोंयकाराकूच मेळटलो, केंद्रीय हवाई येरादारी मंत्री सुरेश प्रभूचे उतर. मोपा लॉजिस्टिक हब हाडपा खातीरूय प्रभूचे यत्न. मडगांवां भाजी आनी फळांचे एचपीडीए मार्केटात अंधाधुंदी, सुवाती घेतल्या भलत्यान वापरता भलतेच. एचपीडीएत सगळे सेटिंग चल्ला म्हूण थळाव्यांचो आरोप. पंधरावी वर्सुकी गोवा पुलीस कप फुटबॉल सर्त सुरू. पेंजीम फुटबॉलर्सान सांताक्रूज कावेलोसीक 3 गोलांनी धाडायले. अंदू 12वीचो रिझल्ट 85.53%, परू 88.77% लागिल्लो. सायन्सीचो 82.31%, आर्ट्साचो 85.17%, कॉमर्साचो 90.58% जाल्यार वोकेशनलाचो 82.58% रिझल्ट लागला. पालकांनी प्रुडंटाक फोन करून दिल्ले म्हायती प्रमाण अंदूय चलयांचीच बाजी.
Results of higher secondary school examination held in March 2018. This year, March 2018, arts results are 85.17%. So 4,079 students appeared. 3,474 students passed, and of course there are some exempted students also, and the percentage is 85.17. Then commerce, 5,402 students appeared, 4,893 students passed, and the result is 90.58. Science, 5,462 students appeared. Then number of students passed is 44,096, and the result is 82.31%. And the vocational 2,796 per student appeared. Number of students passed is 2,309, and this percentage is 82.58%. Then the overall number of students appeared is 17,739. Number of students passed is 15,172, and the overall percentage of all 4 streams is 85.53%. Number of candidates who availed sports merit marks is 3,743. The number of candidates who have passed the exam with the help of sports merit marks is 255. Percentage of candidate passing the examination with the help of sport merit marks is 1.4%. So these are the dates. Re-evaluation 7th May 2018. So students will have to apply on or before 7th May 2018. Supply of photocopies of answer books 12th May 2018, and verification of marks in absentia 25th May 2018.
These are the application dates.
Yeah, last dates. Then we also give the chance to the students to appear for the supplementary examination. So this supplementary examination will commence from 7th June 2018, theory. Practical examination will be 15th June 2018. Then 2 chances for improvement of marks under improvement schemes are permitted. So this is the new thing which you have introduced this time. As per the board rule, earlier the one chance was given for the students for improvement, only one chance. But now the two chances will be given for improvement.
It's two supplementary.
No, for improvement. No, two supplementary. Now the students suppose want to improve. Those who have passed in 2018. So he will given be chance in the supplementary examination and then again March 19 examination.
15 हायर सेकंडरीनी 95% परस चड रिजल्ट लागला. भुरग्यांच्या पालकांनी वेगवेगळ्या कडच्यान प्रुडंटाक फोन करून दिले म्हायती प्रमाण अंदूय चलयांचीच बाजी. चलयां स्टार्स सायन्सीत 94.16% मार्क घेवन सावी नाटेकार परजळ्ळे. कॉमर्सात जे शिवानी भिडे 95.5%, जाल्यार आर्ट्सात 97% मार्क नेरिजा जुजार्थ स्टार.
Overwhelming and it's just surprising or more than what I was expecting. That's it. Well, I plan to be an architect, so I'll be answering my exam soon. Try not to be too serious about your studies. Like, balance yourself. Don't study all the time, because when you study all the time, you start forgetting everything that you study. That's all. Other than that, just work hard, whatever you are doing or whichever career you want to choose. Just work hard for it. They always supported in whatever career I chose for myself. They never forced me to do anything else other than what I chose. Also, my teachers and other faculty members supported me a lot throughout this time.
It's just maybe that consistency is the key. Maybe just not focus on one subject and give equal time and interest to every subject. It's like maybe it's a subject that you don't like, so we generally end up, keeping it like till the last moment. But I think that's what you should take up first and clear it and then go for something that you like. Like now, economics in the beginning, I found it very difficult sort of a thing to manage. But then, I don't know, now I ended up scoring full in that subject only. Because, I don't know, I developed an interest for it. So, I think that's what it is. It's just developing an interest and, I don't know, just doing what you feel like. Just putting in a lot of interest into it rather than putting hours. Like, generally we quantify, like, 3 hours for this subject, 2 hours for this. And I don't know, it just goes on. Maybe just not that, just wake up and today I'm going to give my time to this subject. So just start, maybe refer books, and I don't think there's anything else. Just need to be happy about what you're doing. Now, actually, I'm planning to go for CA, Chartered Accountancy. So I've already been going for these coaching classes in Pune. So I'm going to be there only now for the next 4 years.
10वेचो निकाल 20 माया उपरांत जातलो. 12वेचो निकाल जाहीर करतना चेअरमॅनान ही कल्पना दिली. पोरो 12वेचो 88.77% रिजल्ट लागिल्लो. अंदू 85.53%. सप्लिमेंटरी परीक्षा जूनाच्या 7 तारखेक जातली. ऑक्टोबराची परीक्षा रद्द केल्या. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.
बेकायदेशीर जमीन कन्वर्ट केल्यात म्हूण गोयचो आवाज संस्थेन लोहिना मैदानाचेर नावां जाहीर केल्या उपरांत गोयच्या राजकीय क्षेत्रात खवदळ पडला. ज्यो जमनी आनी दावे ह्या मिटिंगेत केले ते पुराय फट. खरी परिस्थिती तशी नाच म्हूण चडशा राजकारण्यांनी दावो केला. कांय जाणांनी आरोप सिद्ध जाले जाल्यार राजीनामो दिवपाची पसून तयारी दाखयल्या. कांय जाण तांचेर अब्रूलुकसाणीची केस घालतले.
हळदणचो आमदार ग्लेन टिकलो खंय मानहानीचो दावो घालपाचो आसा. ज्या लँड कन्वर्जनाचो आरोप जाता ती जमीन अजूनय तशीच आसा.
And I've kept my image as Mr. Clean. Ija Baptinzam. But unnecessarily today a statement has been made that I've done illegal conversion when the zoning only not done. I only filed an application. Look into, I'm already in touch with my legal panel and I'm going to apply on Monday. I'm going to get under RTI and I'm going to go for defamation against, unless within 40 hours if he doesn't apologize, if this so-called person doesn't apologize and apologize in writing, has to give it to me, as well as he'll have to put it back on his papers that what information he has mentioned about Glenn Ticklow, that I've done illegal conversion. I'm going to file a case of defamation against him. An application was filed when there was a draft regional plan for 2021. I requested for an amendment in the draft regional plan that my land should be converted from orchard to settlement. It was only an application filed. Till today, nothing has been done. Even the zoning has not been changed. Forget the illegal conversion. Now conversion for me to get, I have to get from the collector. I'll be filing a case of defamation for no rhyme or reason, trying to bring me into this illegal land conversion.
नुवेचो आमदार बाबाशान म्हणटा गोयचो आवाज पॉलिटिकल इशू करता आपणा आड लँड कन्वर्जनाचे पुरावे दीत जाल्यार सोमतीच आमदारकी सोडटा.
ही प्रॉपर्टी आमगेली ही 2010/4 म्हणटी ही प्रॉपर्टी तेणी सर्वे नंबर दाखयला. ही प्रॉपर्टी आमगे एन्सेस्ट्रल प्रॉपर्टी आमगे शेपाय गेली आनी हो प्लॅन आहा 2001 ती सेटलमेंट आहा आनी मुगे गोर मुगे एन्सेस्ट्रल गोर 70-80 वर्सांचे गोर आहा हे प्रॉपर्टींक. गुगल प्लॅन आहा हे गुगल प्लॅनाचेर आख्खी गोरां हे विलेजींग हे वॉर्डां आमगेल्या हे दोंगरे वॉर्डां आख्खी गोर दाखोवन दिताय. हितू गोर आसतना ही सेटलमेंट इंटू केशी आसतली ऑर्चर्डाक आनी आतां दाखयता ही आमी सेटलमेंटाक आयले म्हूण. तेणें प्रूफ करचें ही खरें हांवें सेटलमेंटाक घायल जाल्यार आनी तेणें तर प्रूफ केलो 1 इंच पळय हांवें ही प्रॉपर्टी सेटलमेंटाक घायल जाल्यार हांव मुगेलें आज रेजिग्नेशन दिता.
आदलो मंत्री जोकीम आलेमांव म्हणटा चर्चिल ब्रदर्सान खेळा मळार नांव कमयलां. ह्या नांवाची कंपनी ना. गोंयचो आवाजान आरोप करतना कोणाचेर करता तें नांव घेवन स्पश्ट करचें. तो आनी चर्चिल खंय ह्या प्रकरणांत नाच.
गोंयचो आवाज yesterday saying Churchill brothers. See, we had run the team as a family team last 30 years and we had bring the name for Goa. And only a team who ran the today of in India national level by Churchill brothers. Put properly, my brother is there, Kennedy Alema is there, put his name. There are no problem. Why Churchill brothers are coming? Whether Churchill brothers cell lead is there, whether Churchill brother company is there, why to bring the Churchill brother name? I'm surprised.
आपले जमनीचे लँड कन्वर्जन जालां ते कायदेशीर आनी 2001 रिजनल प्लाना वेळार ताचो आतां संबंधच येना म्हूण आदलो आमदार जितेंद्र देशप्रभू उलयलो.
Land was converted way back in 1994, 1995. And in that process, there was a process of conversion at that time. The Town and Country Planning Board was constituted, as was in all the time. And this particular regional plan was 2001 regional plan. And in that regional plan, this board was constituted to decide the change of land use of particular land which is to be brought for development and be it tourism, be it industrial, be it whatever. And me having owned this land, for almost 14 generations, we wanted to utilize this land for a tourism project to give a fillip to tourism activity in the state, which was at that time none. Out of 500 acres of land, we chose to change the land use only of 40 acres of land. And in our quest of doing this, that conversion was principally approved. 94-95, these areas were coming under regional plan of 2001. How does it matter today whether it is 2021 or 2000 whatever in future?
मडगांवचो आमदार दिगंबर कामतीनूय आपल्याचेर केल्ले सगळे आरोप फट आनी जी जमीन सभेत दाखयल्ली ताचेर झाडां रोयल्यात असो दावो केलो. ताणें आपल्या फेसबुकार खुलासोय केला. गोंयचो आवाज संस्थेक कितें तरी गैरसमज जाला आसतलो म्हूण नावेलीचो आमदार लुईजीन फालेरो उलयलो.
I don't want to lead a confrontation. I said they might have been misled and misinformed. It's not that telling something. I have shown you here. This is the 2001 regional plan. It is shown as a settlement. Here, pink is settlement. In fact, 2021 have changed from settlement to non-settlement, partly. Fought and I removed Naveli constituency from the SPDA, Southern Planning Development Authority. And I also saw that the ODP is not affecting us. But I think there is some misunderstanding. It is.
गोंयचो आवाज संस्थेन लोहिया मैदानाचेर जाहीर केल्ल्या लिस्टांतले बाकीचे आजी माजी आमदार मंत्र्यांकडेन प्रुडंटान संपर्क केलो. कांय जाणांनी पुराव्या सयत फुडल्या सप्तकांत उलयता म्हूण सांगले, जाल्यार कांय जाण संपर्क जावंक पावलो ना. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.
घेऊया एक कमर्शियल ब्रेक.